Welcome to Snap-on Training Solutions. This module is designed to help you get the most out of your ZEUS diagnostic tool and covers the use of the built-in scanner demonstration mode and an introduction to Intelligent Diagnostics. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. To help you get acquainted with scanner operations, we've included a built-in demonstration mode that allows you to navigate through scanner menus without actually connecting to a vehicle. Sample codes and data are also provided to help you get acquainted with Intelligent Diagnostics. Let's try it. First, select Scanner from the home screen, then choose Demonstration from the Vehicle Manufacturer menu. For this exercise, we'll select the 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe North American Demo. Select OK to confirm the Chevrolet Tahoe demonstration vehicle selection. Select No when asked if you want to scan a real vehicle. The vehicle confirmation screen displays. Select OK. Selecting OK loads the specific vehicle database. In this instance, it's our demonstration database. A demo mode confirmation message displays. Select Continue. After completing the vehicle ID, select the desired system to diagnose. Let's search for engine-related codes, so we'll select Engine. Navigation for all other systems is similar. Select Display Codes, All Powertrain Codes. The Intelligent Diagnostics demonstration starts. Normally, when you select all powertrain codes, a list of codes is displayed, if found. If codes are found, you have the option to select the diagnose icon of a code to open Intelligent Diagnostics and access code-specific information. However, in demonstration mode, the Intelligent Diagnostics interactive demonstration starts. Let's walk through a few screens of the Intelligent Diagnostics demo. Intelligent Diagnostics, a new approach that brings together all the tools that have coverage related to a diagnostic trouble code in one place. Tap Next. You can use Intelligent Diagnostics whenever codes are present to get code-specific information. Tap Next. Intelligent Diagnostics uses smart shortcuts to code-related SureTrack technical service bulletins, recalls and campaigns, scanner data, including custom data lists with smart trigger values, plus functional tests and resets. Guided component test meter, SureTrack real fixes, tips, and top repair charts. Tap Next. On the codes results screen for our demonstration vehicle, we have two codes. On the next screen, select P0171. Tap Got it. Tap on the P0171 diagnose icon. Now you're connected to Intelligent Diagnostics. Scroll down this screen to see features of the Intelligent Diagnostics main menu. At the bottom of the screen, tap Give it a try. We now see a simulated Intelligent Diagnostics main menu. You can scroll down and select any module card to see more code-specific information. Let's try it. Tap on Technical Bulletins. A list of all the available bulletins related to our code displays. In our case, it's just one. To view the bulletin, just tap on it. The other cards have similar navigation. Give them a try on your own. To learn more, see the Intelligent Diagnostics training module in this series and the ZEUS user manual. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next great product from Snap-on.